Hello guys, welcome back to Serious About Salvage, another video. So today we're going to paint these two pieces. This is for the grey 208, and in this video I want to completely finish the car. So we're going to paint them, it's going to be left to dry for a couple of days, and then we'll come back and we'll put the front end back together. I've got everything now for this car, so I might as well do it in the whole one video. Get it finished and get it out the door, and then the Mini can come in here, can't it then? We can make a start on that, as well as the Polo. I've got a lot of things to be doing with that as well, so there'll be a video for that coming soon. But yeah, today we're going to paint. So we've got them both set out. These are both brand new items. They're not genuine, they're insurance approved. So they're both primed, ready. So all we need to do is just give them a little bit of a sand down, and then we can go straight on with the base coat. It's a metallic colour again this, so I've been and got some paint mixed. Ourselves a bit of paint here. And I've gone for a different clear coat this time. See if we can get some better results. So I've gone with this stuff, Ultimate 2K HS Clear Coat, and then we've got the Fast Hardener. Because even though I've kind of figured out the technique with my gun for the clear coat, I was still getting it a little bit too orange peely, so it was taking a bit of sanding, and I want to try and get away from that because it's time consuming and you risk, going through the clear coat, which is what I've done on the bonnet of the other 208, so I'm having to repaint that again. So we'll try this new clear coat this time. It's more expensive, so we'll see how it goes. So I'll give you a bit of time lapse on the painting, and I'll show you just in between each stage if you want. So let's crack on with it. Okay, so I thought I might as well mix the paint on camera for you. You've not seen it yet. Now, I'm no expert at this, so seek your own advice if you're going to do it. But what I do is I mix my paint myself, and I do 2 to 1, so 2 paint to 1 thinners. So that's our 2 mark there. So we're going to fill the paint up to that line. Okay, and then some universal 2K thinners. Top it up to the 1. And then give it a good mix. And that's it. The paint's ready. So as you pour it in your gun, you put it through a filter just to make sure there's no rubbish in it. And that is it. That is some mixed paint. There we go. It's metallic this, so we've got our panels ready. Rubbed down, panel wiped. So I'm going to throw a bit of water down on the floor just to keep that dust down. And then I'll throw you up on the wall, and we'll do a bit of a time lapse on painting it. Alright, so we've got the base coat on. This panel's pretty much ready for lacquer. You just see a few shiny spots, just waiting for them to dull off, and then it can be lacquered. The bumper again, pretty much ready, just needs another minute or two just to dull off a bit more, but the paint's gone on really well, like really well, so happy with that. So I'll get some lacquer mixed up now, some of this new, well new to me, ultimate stuff, see how this goes. On the other stuff I was using, I was putting a bit of thinners in it to help it flow, but I might just try this as it is, see what it's like before I start messing with mixtures. So let's see then. So yeah, same mixtures as the 2 to 1, 2 clear coat to 1 hardener, and we'll get it on, see how it goes. Okay guys, all lacquered, all done, and looking good. Get that wing out. Get a little torch on it. A little bit of crap in it, but like I said, that's just inevitable in here. But yeah, good. I like it. I think next time I might put a drop of thinners in it, just to help it a bit, because on the bumper perhaps it's a bit orange peely, but not too fussed about the bumper really, because you don't really get the light reflecting down in it like you do a panel on the top. But yeah, that's it. So they're lacquered, they're already done. I'll leave them to dry now a couple of days, and we'll then get it built back up in this video as well. So I'll see you in a couple of days. Like I said, as always, for you it'll be a couple of seconds. Right, we're back onto the Peugeot. It's been a few days now since we painted these parts. Like I said, we're going to get the whole thing done in one video. So here we have the bumper. Paint just come out really good. And the wing, again. Really good finish, very happy with it. I don't think we'll be doing any wet sanding on this car at all, it's come out really well. Very little orange peel. Factory look orange peel, should we say. Yeah, not far off. So we need to build this bumper up. We've got the centre grille, lower grille, and the 2 spotlight grills. Unfortunately, this trim's the wrong colour, so I'll have to get a different trim for it, but won't stop us putting it together. We've got the 2 spotlights, the light, splash guard, and a drop link. All to do today. I don't think it'll take too long really to go together quite easy these. We also need that bit over there. We need this as well. So let's crack on with it, let's get this bumper built up. Then we can move on to the wing and get cracking. And that's the bumper together. Not overly impressed with the fitment of that, but there's not a lot I can do about that. And it's just a shame that trim's the wrong colour, isn't it? But anyway, I can't do anything about that. I have to order a new one. Okay. Right. There's that piece to put in it yet, isn't there? I'll put that in and then we'll move on to this wing. Alright, we're getting a bit of progress now. Headlights look pretty even. That wing was a pig. Absolute pig. That's the best I can get it. It's a non-genuine one. I've never had this kind of trouble with them before, but this was an absolute pig, this one. Horrible fitment. I've got it as close as possible. I think it passes. But yeah, I can't do it, I can't get any better. If we're not happy in the end, I'm going to have to get another. But we'll see how we get on with it. So, headlights in, bumper is next to go on. But we're almost there, aren't we? Bumper, we can't forget the drop link as well. Put that in, I'm going to do that now actually. I'll do that drop link now, whilst we've got that kind of room there. Be a lot easier, and then we'll put the bumper on. It's starting to look like a car again. That bumper was quite a bit out of shape. Must have been from the way it was transported or packaged or something. But it's gone on okay. So okay, I'll get this all buttoned up so it's solid in place, and then we'll have another look at it. But it's looking good so far. Alright, there we go. Other than a good clean, inside and out, and a few bits like the registration plate and this little trim, this car's done. Everything went fine except for, like I said, that wing. Bit of a pig, that wing, and I'm not 100% happy with it, so I think I might be doing that wing again at some point. I'm not sure yet. I've not 100% decided. But the rest of it, okay, all good. So yeah, this is going to be the last you're going to see of this car. Like I said, it's for a lad that I know, so I'll get it all cleaned up now, plate on. Last few little bit of fettling on it, and it'll be done and gone. Alright then, so there we go, all done. So Lewis, there's your almost finished car. I hope you're happy with it. For the first car, I think you couldn't have gone much better really for the money that you had. I know people, say French cars, but this is the almost brand new French car. 7,000 miles on, it'll do you fine. It will do you fine. So anyway, thanks for watching. As always, if you do like this stuff, please do give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.